Good morning, everybody. Today we are here for today's 5 error, and I am going to say 5 errors that we are committing in our day-to-day life. You see, I have taken first 3 sentences. My brother is going to give the examination or interview. Now you see, my brother is going to give the examination. Here when we are saying about give, it says about the appearing in the examination. So the examinee or the student, they do not give the examination. They take the examination or interview. So my brother is going to take the interview, not give the examination or interview. Keep it in mind. Now, second one, you have done a blunder mistake. You have done a blunder mistake. Keep it in mind, the meaning of blunder is heavy mistake. And so, blunder and mistake, the same words are there. So, blunder mistake will not be there. Either blunder or mistake. Either this one or this one, not both. This one or this one. So keep it in mind. You have done a blunder or you have done a mistake, not blunder mistake. Next we see, we do not know whether he will come or not. Very frequent we are using. We do not know whether he will come or not. After whether you see, no use of or is there. After whether, no or is used there. You see, we do not know whether he will come. Then where or to be used? If this whether will be changed into either. How? We do not know either he will come or not. So keep it in mind that after whether, no or is used. So this is not going to be used with whether. Now let's come to the next 2 errors of today. Here you see 2 more errors I have taken, 2 more sentences I have taken. First one is, I am not knowing or remembering him. Earlier I have discussed, I am not knowing. Knowing will not be used because this is a non-action word, and such thing also happens to remembering. So I am not knowing is not in use, or this is a wrong way of incorrect way of using the things. I do not know or I do not remember him. I do not. So knowing and remembering, continuous tense is not used here. Here only use of what? Means simple present tense will be used. So I do not know or remember him. Keep it in mind. Now this shop deals with cosmetics. Every now and then we are using it with this shop deals with cosmetics. You see here, deals with is used with any other purpose, but not with the business or shop. Not with business or shop. What is used? With business or shop, deals in is used. Deals in is used. So keep it in mind that this shop deals in cosmetics. This shop deals in hardware. This shop deals in paper product. This shop deals with sweets, or this in deals in sweets. So keep it in mind whenever business or whenever related to shop is coming, that there is deals in. So today's 5 error